Hi guys, Bryce with the Revolution Vinyl. Just wanted to make a quick installation video for you. The way I like to do it keeps things real simple. So in the kits that I've sent you, we have spray bottle. 75% water, 25% isopropyl alcohol. This is what we use to prep the surface. Spray it down, wipe it with a microfiber cloth, get all the grime and dirt off, you'll be good to go. Soapy water. I just put a little bit of dish soap in the bottom. I mean, just enough to barely cover the bottom. Put some water in, shake it up, call it good. Also, we have a dry erase marker, squeegee, magnets for holding your decal. So what I like to do, once I get it positioned, is I like to make marks. So I know where I need to line it up when I take it off. So I will remove the magnets. I will remove the backing paper off the decal. I will spray the surface with soapy water. Careful not to get my marks. Then I will spray my decal also, just the backside for now. And I'll come back over here and I will start lining it up. So I usually start with side, that side, then this side. The reason that I do that is the curvature of the vehicle, right? Your curvature is going up and down, it's not going side to side. So once I get it close to where I want it like that, I kind of make sure that, okay, that's gonna look good. So right there, so there we go. We've got our decal position. So now I take my squeegee, gently start going like this. Now what I do, I like to call this setting the edge. So I go right down the middle and I kind of just set that edge. So when I start in the middle, that way it gives me the ability to work from the middle out. That way when I get wrinkles, when I get bubbles, we're not having any of these problems, right? We're just kind of pushing everything out, pushing that solution out. Going up over this curve right here. Life is good. And I'm not pushing real hard because this thing will still slide if I'm not careful. So I'm just basically trying to push that out. Now I'm going to take the hard edge of my squeegee. You know, I'm going to run it down, but I'm not going to push real hard. I'm just running it down, trying to get that moisture out of there right now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that set up. You know, I'm going to give it, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Kind of let everything dry. Let it do its thing. When I go to pull it off, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be a piece of cake. And that's how I do it. The soap and water allows you to position it where you want it. It's so much more forgiving. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. 801-645-8429. I'll help you out. Your kits are coming, your decals are coming. Thank you.